It's going amazing, like amazing projects, amazing feedbacks. I'm super happy to see that these folks have done an amazing job in just 2 weeks. And it's just mind blowing. It's blowing my mind like anything. Hey, Harshit. Sorry,
Hi Pritesh.
Ashrrith. My bad.
Yeah. Hi
Yeah.
Pritesh.
Hi. Great to see you here. Uh, Congratulations for making it to the demo day, first of all.
Thank you.
And I really loved your app. I used it. And without
I'm glad
further
you
ado,
liked it.
let's start your demo. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Sure. You able to see my screen?
Yeah. Good luck. Bye.
Yeah. So hi everyone. My name is Ashrrith, and the project that I built during this hackathon is called StraySahaya. It is an animal health app. So the problem statement is I found an issue with myself. So what happened is there were a lot of stray animals near my home. So one day I saw an animal which was new around my street, which was sick. It had a lot of skin issues. So I wanted to help the dog, but I did not know where to start, whom to call. So I started by just browsing through the internet. I found a few articles, called up a few NGOs. So some of them were far away. So it did not make sense for them to come all the way and then have a look. So after a lot of calling and searching. So I then found an NGO near my home. So once I called them and shared the images through WhatsApp and all those. So they told the treatment is simple. Maybe you can buy these tablets and mix it in the food and give it. Maybe in a week or two he'll be fine. So found I then thought that this would be a great idea to build an app on. So that's how I then build the app. So let's go ahead with the demo. So this is the home page. On the top of the screen, you can find the current location, and there's an siren icon in case of emergency where you want a 24 by 7 helpline. So you can just tap on the icon, and helpline comes up. You can call them and get help. So there are three cards here. One is the help, adopt, and donate. So when I click on the help, so it's a small form that you have to fill. I'll just type in my name, and the location is auto selected from your phone, and you just type in your phone number, select an animal type, a dog, and maybe a category in case rescue, abandon, abuse, something like rescue, and then please help. So when you click on get help, what happened is it opens the native email app of your phone, and a template is automatically filled. So and even the email IDs of the NGOs are automatically selected. So you all you have to do is just make some basic edits and hit the send button. Yeah. So this is the template. The email ID is already filled in. The subject you just have to hit send. And the second option is the adopt page. Here, the listings provided by the animal shelters are displayed. In case you want to adopt a stray animal, so the listing is here. You just click on a listing, the photo, name, type of animal, and the animal shelter where the animal is currently at, and an about section, maybe the age, breed, gender, vaccinated, so all those basic information. Once you click inquire, so there's a form, you type in your name, phone number, and comments, and you hit submit. It's the same email template which comes up. In case an NGO does not have an email ID, the phone number comes up. You can call them and inquire more about the animal. And the donate section, so there are a list of NGOs here. You tap on any NGO here and it opens the browser with the donation link, and you can support the NGO of your choice. So here you have a list of NGOs based on your location, sorted accordingly. So once you tap on the card, so this is like a profile page for the NGO. You can see the details like the area, maybe timings, and phone number, map, and email ID. And even on the home page, we have the phone number and map just for quick access. And on the settings page, it's just about us. And if I've missed out any help center, you can email me and I can add it. And so, for the purpose of showing you the location, let me just change the values here to show you that the cards are sorted based on the location. So once I update the location, so the current location changes and even the cards are sorted based on your current location. And the backend, it's hosted on Sanity. So here we have a list of NGOs and the adoption listings. In case there are any new adoption listings or NGOs, I just come to Sanity, and once I click on add, I can fill in all the details and it's populated in the app automatically. So the future scope is maybe I'd like to build the NGO side of the app. So once somebody raises a request, so they don't have to send an email to themselves. So a push notification is sent to the NGO directly, and they can all, I can also include a option to do status tracking, and maybe donations can be done within the app itself. So these are some of the features that I'd like to add in the future.
Awesome,
Yeah.
Ashit. Time is up for the demo, and it was really wonderful presentation. And the application is also like crazy. I haven't like I have been thinking of some sort of solution like this for the stray pets, but yeah, you did an amazing job. Let's invite our judges on the last, Ashit and Ali, for the quick feedbacks. Um, I guess Ali, you are not audible. Harshit and Harshit, can you guys
Yeah.
listen to Ali?
No, I can't hear.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can't hear Ali. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
hear Harshit.
Harshit, we can
Yeah,
hear
I
you.
think Ali, it's some issue here. All right.
Yes. Yeah, Harshit, you can go ahead. Meanwhile, Ali can fix the mic.
Yeah, sure. So I think I really love the idea, and I think when something like this happens, a person like me will be like totally, blind. Hey, what do I do? So I'll also usually just Google, how do I help pets in such situations? So I think great idea. One thing that I wanted to understand is why to create a mobile app versus a usual web app. Uh, where I'm coming from is, this from a end user's perspective. I personally feel that you know if I encounter such a thing, I might will not have a mobile app pre-installed on my phone. Generally, I'll just Google and search for a app. I mean, on a web for a website. So, was there something like some use cases which makes like a mobile app more relevant for this one?
There were no general use cases, but I felt like a mobile app would be more accessible if people are aware about this app, or someone who wants to help animals. So they would already have this app pre-installed. So in case they find any issue, they just open the app, fill up a form, or maybe click an image and share it, and it happens quicker.
Got it. I think then this has a a much bigger scope from not just solving the current use cases, but let's say every pet owner can actually install such kind of an app, and we can actually cater to a lot more use cases, so that next time somebody wants to do anything related to pets, they have a one app and they can just go there and do stuff. So,
Right, yeah.
but amazing app, really clean UI. Really loved it.
Thank you, Ashrrith.
Yeah. I hope I'm audible now.
Yeah, you are Ali.
Awesome. Yeah, I saw your app. How did you get it published in such a less time? Like, are you like a seasoned app developer already, or because it's fire to play with Google Play policies and kind of do all of that. So, can you shed some light there?
Yeah, in fact, even I was quite surprised when I just published the app maybe on the night before the deadline. And I was surprised maybe in 3-4 hours it was live. So I'm not sure how that happened.
Oh,
Maybe I had published one app earlier. That was maybe 3-4 years ago. So even I was quite surprised indeed.
got it. Okay. Yeah. Apart from that, I guess I'll just repeat the comments, which is like obviously a cleaner UI and everything else. I definitely think there's like a need to kind of work with NGOs as well to kind of like implement um, like the use case of it, and kind of people would like the discovery part of it is something which you want to like you would have to work on. But yeah, the app is pretty simple. Does what the problem you're solving. So that's good.
Yeah. Thank you, Ali.
Thank you so much, Ali and Harshit, for the quick feedbacks, and good luck, Ashrrith, for the finals. Let's cross the fingers and let's see how it goes. I quickly invite the
Thank you.
next person on the stage. Okay, so I guess Swapnil